All right, we have got snow this morning. Looks like about 3 or 4 inches so far. It's supposed to snow all day. I've already had my snow cream. But it's pretty. There's the steps out there. It's the biggest snow we've had in a while. It's supposed to snow all day. It snowed last night. Looks about like 4 inches out there. We're supposed to get up to 6 to 7 inches of snow today. There goes a car. It's going by pretty good. But hey, I'm not getting out today. It's slacked up snowing right now. But I stepped out on the patio back there in the back and got my snow cream like froze before I got back in the house. All right. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And y'all have a blessed day. Now it's snowing harder out there. is fixing to download this to my laptop so I could download it to YouTube. And before I got it done, it started snowing harder. But I thought I'd let y'all look a little bit. The flakes are bigger too. Oh boy, that is so pretty. It's supposed to snow all day, I think. It is now. It's after 9 o'clock, between 9 and 10 o'clock in the morning. Oh, that is so pretty. And it started snowing late yesterday evening. There goes a truck. All right, I'm going to shut this off. I got almost 3 more minutes.